Hi, this demo is to show BC127 with Melody 5.5 running a complex situation. In this situation, we've got a left speaker that's in that board, a BC127, a right speaker, and a remote control with the Discovery Kit. So the speakers are actually connected via wires to actual speakers, and all the boards are connected via USB to hyper terminals on the PC where I can control them. So let me show you what we've done so you can replicate. So you've got here the three windows: left speaker, right speaker, and then Bluetooth low energy remote control. So on the right speaker here, you can see I've unpaired, restored, select became Bluetooth low energy peripheral, reset, and my address ends with 191D6. I advertised on, and I was advertising on, and the master connected to me. Let's see what the master did to connect to me. The master was, I restored, set classic role 02, set BLE role central, so that's true wireless, and that's to make it central so I can connect to the remote control. Then I opened 196D6 Bluetooth low energy, so I opened the connection, and at the same time I opened also the true wireless connection with this device, which was set in true wireless, and its address ends by 75. So for example, on the Bluetooth low energy side, I can, if I type status here, I can see that I've got a link 12 connected via BLE to the remote control, so I can send something to the remote control. Hello remote, and you can see that on this case here I received it, so I can actually go here and communicate from the remote control. Also send 12, I am here, and I receive. So I've got a communication between both of them. Now let's connect the phone to all of that. So let me take that iPhone here. So to connect the phone here, I have to go discoverable on the master device, discoverable on, and now being discoverable on. And let's see, on this iPhone I can see it, it's 799. So let's connect to it, and when I connect to it, it should connect here. Perfect. So if I type status here, I'm connected via true wireless to the main board, to the right speakers, via A2DP to the iPhone, which Bluetooth address is 84F, and the rest. AVRCP, same thing with the iPhone, and HFP with the iPhone, which is this address. And we are connecting via Bluetooth low energy to that other, to the third board. And now I can simply go here, go to music, play some music, and the music can be heard via true wireless. Let me just reduce the volume, and at the same time as I'm receiving some music, I can of course always use the BLE by sending 12 FFFF, and you receive it on the remote control. So the connection between the remote control is actually intact and doesn't affect the audio. I can even go here and then do send 12 H, and it comes here. So the remote control is communicating with the main board. You've got true wireless, and audio is not affected. Thank you.